Your father, he waits.
Much to learn. Much to teach. There are dangers beyond our village.
What a wonderful day!
Help your father!
My family. I will find them. I will bring them home.
To survive, remember your strength, your compassion, your mercy.
Why do they hunt her?
She knows the human secrets.
I have a name. May. I know where they're taking your clan.
You chose a human over an elk.
This was a human place.
It is not yours!
It is now, isn't it? The elders did not tell us everything about this world.
Nor bend for your king.
Never.